slow. Ride slow. Ride slow. No one saw the nights I held my ground. No one heard me when I made no sound. I didn't need the light to find my way. I just kept moving through the dark each day. Not fast, not loud, not for the crowd. Just real, just deep, just mine to keep. I rise slow, but I rise sure. Every scar I carry made me more. I rise slow, but I rise strong. Took the time it took, now I belong. Rise slow. They wanted fire, I gave them roots. They wanted shortcuts, I gave them truth. I fell more times than I cared to say, but every fall just showed me where to stay. Not fast, not loud, not for the crowd. Just real, just deep, just mine to keep. I rise slow, but I rise sure. Every scar I carry made me more. I rise slow, but I rise strong. Took the time it took, now I belong. Rise slow. The ones who rise fast fall the same way. The ones who rise slow are built to stay.